Are you in the process of renovating your house and have no idea how it should look like? Well, you can get tips and inspiration from our top 3 houses in our new segment, House of the Month. Ranked in no particular order, first home is designed by New Concept. We all get it, houses in Singapore are getting smaller. However, with the right interior designers, you can make a small space feel like a huge haven. New Concept understands the fundamentals of design while balancing practicality and aesthetics. Their intricate designs makes this space a cozy home to come back to. Next up is SG Carpentry. This house has an industrial and modern theme to it. The tech-savvy home makes it practical and beautiful. The warm tones and warm lights makes luxury feel comfortable and homely. The consistency runs throughout the whole house and it is really a sight to behold. Last but not least, Albedo Design. This home shows you how important furnishing is. The details in this house is impeccable and meticulously thought out. Every inch of the house is well designed and planned, from the cupboards, door handles and even ornaments around the house. It shows you with minimal renovations you can use creativity to make your home truly yours. That is all for this month. If you guys see anything that you like, you can check out our Facebook page or our YouTube channel. Link is in the description below. Also, don't forget to like, share, and also tell us your thoughts. We would love to hear from you. This is Hassan from Renopedia. See you guys same time, same place next month.
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.